Hi, I'm Josh, a data scientist at Positly. Today I'm going to take you through the steps of setting up a run on Positly. The first step is to create a project. You can name your project whatever you like, but we recommend making it something related to the activity you're running. Next, you can create your first run. Initially, Positly will give you a default run name, but you can customize it if you choose. Then you get to choose which country you want to source your participants from. Depending on the country you choose, you'll have one or two platforms to choose from. They are similar in many ways, but have important differences. You can learn more about their differences on our blog post titled Choosing a Platform on Positly. Choose how many participants you want to complete your activity and estimate how long you think it'll take participants to complete it. We recommend that for the first run of your study, you do it on 20 or fewer people as a pilot to see what kind of feedback you get from participants before you run on a larger number of people. Positly will then show you the cost of that run. The cost will depend on the country chosen, the number of participants you need, and the platform you choose. The second page of the run setup is all about who you want to complete your activity. Let's say you only want to reach people who own cars. We can do that easily by selecting Automotive from the dropdown, selecting Access to Car, and choosing I own a car. If you like, you can then choose to target a sample that is nationally representative by age and gender using a census quota, or you can add custom quotas to control what % of participants have different demographic attributes. You also have the option to add a custom screener, which only allows participants to continue in your study if they give certain answers to custom questions that you write. This is useful if you want to limit participation to participants with very specific traits that are not available in the list of pre-built filters. Note that customer screening works a bit differently depending on the platform, so be sure to read platform-specific instructions for how to use it. On the next page, you can choose which attributes about your participants Positly will send through to your study. By default, Positly will send into your study the participants' age, gender, household income, and education status. But you can also have Positly pass through information about employment status, relationship status, physical health, credit scores, or other traits. On the Activity Details page, you give your study a public title to attract study participants. Now, add the URL from the study you've already created. Participants will be redirected to that URL when it's time for them to start your activity. For example, I have a simple study that asks drivers about how sleepy they are before and after listening to some poetry. I'll grab the share link for that. I've used Guided Track for this example, which you can use too, but you can also use whatever survey builder you like. Now, paste this URL back into Positly. Positly will detect what platform you're using and provide the appropriate integration instructions. Guided Track integrates with Positly automatically. The next steps are crucial. If you're not using Guided Track to make your activity, you'll now need to configure whatever survey platform you're using to accept the participant attributes sent from Positly. For example, Positly will pass into your survey a unique participant ID for each participant, and your survey platform must be configured to receive it. The next crucial element is to make sure that your study is set up so that participants who complete it are given the completion link from Positly that they click in order to get paid. You should set up your study so that only participants who finish your study reach the completion link. Simply copy this link and paste it at the end of your activity. We recommend testing your activity at least once to make sure your completion link is working as it should. And that's it. Now you're ready to publish your run, and the results will start coming in. And that's how you create a run with Positly. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to get in touch.